Hello traders, you're welcome to Forex Success. It's Colin Silvera here. So today I don't want to bore you. I want to show you an amazing trend line strategy. You can see give me $3,000 catching 128 pips. So I want to show you the system of how this trend line strategy actually works. It's not just about knowing how to draw your trend lines. There are more to this, and that's what I'm going to be opening your eyes into. A lot of traders will not show you that market structure works with trend line. If your market structure doesn't align with that trend line, it's hard for you to win with this. So that's why I'm going to be opening your eyes. First of all, you're going to be understanding market structure. Then we're going to know how we can use them together with trend line to make amazing trades decision. So how about I show you a way you can increase your profitability by trading on a huge account, trading big money, and that is where Darwinex comes in. Darwinex is actually an FCA regulated money management company. They connect traders with investors. Darwinex is actually looking for traders who want to be money managers and get investors allocation. It's similar to hedge funds, you get. So now Darwinex offer an exclusive service known as the Darwinex Zero. Guys, with Darwinex Zero, you can grow as a trader without putting your capital at risk. You can attract allocations from Darwinex and attract investors' capital. Guys, this is so amazing. So here's why you should join Darwinex Zero. I'm going to be showing you why you should join this Darwinex Zero. I'm already trading with them and I will advise you to do. So these are the very beautiful advantage why you should join Darwinex Zero. Firstly, you will get a 100k virtual account that is connected to a live servers. You don't get to risk your own money. In this way, you don't get to risk your own money. You're trading a 100k virtual account that is connected to a live servers, and there you get your monthly allocations depend on the profit you make on a monthly basis. So you can access monthly seed capital allocation up to 500k, monthly seed capital allocation up to 500k, and there is no trading restrictions, no limitation, no maximum loss. That is no drawdown rule, no maximum loss, no limitation, no restriction. You can trade with it whatever strategy you're using, whether you're a scalper, whether you're a swing trader or a day trader. You can trade whichever strategy you use, and this only costs you 38 euros monthly fee and a 95 euro sign up fee. Just that, guys. 38 euro monthly fee and 95 euro sign up fee. That's how beautiful it is. It is more cheaper and less rules and less requirements than prop firm. Very much cheaper than prop firm, and it requires less rule. So sign up, click on the link at the description below to create an account and start trading on your Darwinex Zero account right now. Trust me, it's going to be very much profitable for you as a trader. So back to what I am sharing with you. USD CHF right now. Look at this. So now I said I'm going to show you about market structure first. Market structure. So when you understand market structure, you will now understand how to use this trend line very effective. So let's say, in order for you to draw your this is how market structure is. You know how market moves highs, lows, higher lows, higher highs. So let's assume this is it. So we'll have this area as our higher high, right? Okay, hold on. Beautiful. So this is our higher high. These are higher high. This is higher low. This is higher high, higher low. And this is the last higher high we got. So let's say this market then decide to do some changes like this. They say this. Market has broken structure. So now we have a break of structure simply because market candle closed below this previous higher low. Now we have a break of structure right here. So what should you be expecting right now is that the market should push up again for a lower high before it comes down to give us a lower low, right? So this is where your trend line comes in. So you already have a trend line here connecting these two guys. You know what that means? Sorry. So you have a trend line here connecting all these three lows that the market has been given. So because you already understand currently the market structure here is bullish, since the market is giving us higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, you understand market structure is bullish, and you have your trend line below the lows of this market. So this is where you get to take your buy. As market comes back down again for the third touch, the first touch and the second touch is actually gives a trend line. It makes up a trend line, and the third touch qualifies or it confirms a trend line. So this is where you are taking your buy, knowing fully well that the market structure is still bullish. Now you took a buy here, right? Beautiful. So this is how market structure is. So now market broke, price broke the low. So now you're expecting a lower high at this point. So price has given us a lower high here. This is our lower high. And then what will market do again? Market will come down for a lower low. Beautiful. So now you get your trend line tools again, just as expected. You now connect this high with the low, right? So at this point in time, you are waiting for market to come give you a third touch before you place your sell. As simple as this, guys. So market will give you, just as it's supposed to, go for a lower high again. This is where you are now taking your buy. You're not looking for your buy entry, your sell entry around this point, targeting for expecting a lower low, and your stop loss slightly above the trend line. So this is what the market will now expect to do. So the market will not get here and then respect the trend line and still following market structure to give you a new lower low. So this is how you can risk a very small amount of this kind of pips to make large amount of pips like this. So let's go into real life market and see how this thing really works. Let's go to real life market and see how it can work for you, how you can make money using this. This is example of what I showed you right here. This is it. An example of what I just showed you. Market structure is bullish for me, higher highs and higher lows. So at the third touch of the trend line, I took on this buy here, right? As simple as that. Took on the buy here. So now market has changed structure right now. It is now bearish. So what should I do? I see it has taken just example of everything I showed you right there. Market has changed structure here by coming down for a low. So now it has pushed up for a lower high. It came back down here. All I'm waiting for right now is the third touch of this trend line. The third touch of the trend line, right? Third touch of the trend line. I got the first touch right here. First touch was right here. First touch right there. Then second touch right here. I need a third touch of the trend line. So I'm just going to be waiting for the market to give me a third touch of this trend line. Third touch of the trend line. Knowing fully well that this market structure is currently bearish. Do you get it, guys? It is currently bearish. So let's just see what the market gets to do. As soon as it gives a third touch of the trend line, we get to give in for the buy. So you just have to be patient with this and wait for the third touch of the trend line. You can see market also, this black line right here is my support level, which has got broken right now and is now acting as resistance. So market finally gave me the third touch of the trend line at this point. Market gave me third touch of the trend line sorry about that. Market gave me third touch of the trend line just at that point. You can see that. So we've got a third touch of the trend line. So what am I expected to do? I am expected to place my sell right here, go short from here, stop loss just slightly above this high, you can see. And what will I be targeting? I'll be expecting a new lower low. So I'm going to be targeting all the way to this, my previous resistance. If you go on a higher time frame, you'll be able to understand the reasons why I have this black line here as my support level. So that's where I'm expecting price to drop down to. So since market has given me my third touch and stop loss above there, so you just place your trade like this and wait for the market to play at while you watch. So this is what now happens. Market rallies all the way down to my take profit area. So this is how you can use your trend line and market structure in place. Remember, if market structure is bullish, you want to start looking for buy setups aligning with your trend line. And if market structure is bearish, you want to start looking for sell opportunities. Beautiful. So let's talk about this again. So look at what market has done right here. this is also another opportunity to go in for the sell again. A new touch of the trend line. Market structure still respected as bearish. Bearish. Market structure is still respected. So this is like another option again. So you can get to multiply your trades like this, trading like this. So key points to note is that market structure should align with your trend line before you can boldly take a trade with this strategy. Is that okay, guys? So thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was very helpful to you, make sure you do to hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And like I said before, to get your $100,000 live trading account with Darwinex, click on the link at the description of this video to create an account with them. 95 euros sign up fee and 38 euros monthly fee. You have your 100k account going. So I forgot to tell you guys that whatever your allocation is, you get to be paid 15% of your allocation quarterly. So like you can see, making just 5% in a month, you get an allocation of 25,000 euros, 25,000 euros allocation fee, right? So 25,000 euros allocation fees, you get to make 15% of this on a monthly basis. Allocations are paid by quarterly. That is 3 months. Every 3 months, your allocation will be paid. So if this month you got this, 15% of this 25,000 euros is yours. The next month you got the same 15%. So it depends. So let's say you made 10%. Let's say you made 10% in a month. So 10% in a month gives you an allocation of 70,000 euros. So 15% of it is yours on that month. So it depends on how you make money on it. So click on that link right now and create an account with them. So peace out. Colin Silva right here.